So in this case, we have a technology called Brokerage Plus. Let me just bring that in here so you can see it a little better. Okay. And this is where I do a lot of my P&L management, and I can switch between accounts, my Schwab versus my regular trading. But we have this button for any trade that you're in. Let me show it to you. These are on the right hand side, and this is called the reverse button. And what the reverse does is it allows you to really quickly change directions from, let's say, negative to positive, or positive to negative, long short, short long, etc. Okay, so that's what I did with that trade. I'm gonna move this back, and I went short here on the way down, and it's ended up working pretty well right now. I'm up $621 in the trade, and I've locked in $471 in profits by just adjusting my stops from being a stop loss to now a profit retention. Trade Ideas makes this very easy for you, all visual, all on the charts. Please visit us and see how this can improve your trading results significantly. Thank you.